Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Binance and log into your Binance account, and once you've logged into your account, go to your wallet. So click on your wallet and then go to your overview. So here select on your balance here, if you have USDTs that you want to send, so you can simply hit on this withdraw option here. Click on the withdraw option, and then here what we're going to do, okay, so here when you get to this withdraw page here, so for the coin you can select USDT. Alright, so the coin you can select USDT, and then the withdraw to address. For the address here, so we're going to do, you're going to put in the address of your Trust Wallet account. So to get that, so you can just go to your Trust Wallet account. So go to your Trust Wallet, and then once you've logged into your Trust Wallet, so you're going to go and let me open up my USDT option here. So okay, so when you log into your Trust Wallet, so what you're going to do, you're going to receive. So simply select the USDT option here and then hit on receive, and then here you will get the address here, the address. So simply copy this address and paste it here, and then the network as well, select the appropriate network, then choose the amount that you wish to transfer, the USDT, and then once that's done, then complete this transaction, and that's pretty much it is. That's how you can send from Binance to your Trust Wallet. That's how you send the USDT. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.